Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Bloktopia video update for Saturday 13th of August. And I'm actually looking at Bloktopia for after quite a long time. I used to cover this coin back in the days, and pretty much been hitting the right notes. So you can already see that in here I used to tell you on the weekly time frame that yeah, it's overextended to the upside, it shot to the moon, and then came down here, made the bear flag. And I used to tell you that that bear flag back here, I was the only YouTuber right here talking about that. Block is looking to come down. I do have some old videos on my channel, you can check them out. And I used to tell them that this is going to be a technical target, but unfortunately there's one more bear flag that actually happened, and I think the technical target of that bear flag was never really met, okay? And that can be bad, okay? So this was the bear flag I'm talking about. So when you came with that bear flag here, you went down again and you made another bear flag, and then you came down, and this is a technical target out of that bear flag at 0.01929. Now the irony about this, the issue about this thing is that, I'm going to show you one EMA, and it actually goes to that EMA and get rejected. So the last time you came to the 10 EMA on the weekly, you actually got rejected. You pretty much got rejected right over here, went to the downside. And then you try to go up again, got rejected the 10 EMA, and then you go, after finding that rejection, came to the downside. You just went again near the 10, went to the downside. Now this time, you're pretty much going to the 10, and this weekly candlestick hasn't really closed just yet. So if I do zoom in today to, we're going to close the weekly candle in the next 1 day, 13 hours. And how you close the weekly, can you get rejected again on the 10? You might be, because you never really met the target, and you could be looking to actually drop again here the same way you drop right there. And that weekly can actually reverse to be a nasty one. Now, it's not important that I say you're going to come down there. The only reason I say is because that's just a technical target, and the logic side of it. You can still end up holding the 10 and shooting up to the 20, and you might be looking for a position to come up here to the 20 at the moment. And now let's dive into the daily. That's the weekly. I just want to give you a heads up right now on the weekly time frame. But the daily looks amazing, and the daily looks really, really different right now, okay? The daily has a bull cross, okay? And if we do go back here to nearly 24th of March, you actually did wind up make a bull cross, but when you came down to backtest the EMAs, you failed terribly bad, and that's where you actually moved to the downside. The question really is, ever since March 2022, like 5 months ago, you made the bull cross but failed to hold that bull cross at the moment. Can you now cross the EMAs and really backtest? Because if you backtest and make that bull cross and become successful, then you're looking for a really big, huge rise to the upside once again. And that's pretty much it. Quick Bloktopia video update at the moment. Can you hold the bull cross? Amazing. Today's weekend, and I'm pretty sure you're going to be retracing in the next 2 or 3 days. What you don't want to see though is backtesting the EMAs and failing them, and then coming down below the EMAs, making another fake out of the bull cross, and then you continue with the downtrend until you don't come down to this particular price level, which is a technical target of the weekly bear flag. If you do come down here, that could be another investing opportunity, maybe a buying opportunity once again. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on Block. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz. Hey, can I tell you something real quickly? There's this subscribe button right here. Once you click that, there's a bell icon as well, and I want you to click that. Secondly, if you want to be a part of our signals agreement group, and you want to actually take my signals and when I trade, you can click on this video, on the link in the description of the video, and you can join the signals agreement for $10 per month. Or maybe you don't want to actually the signals, then you want to actually learn the way I trade, then click on this link here, Adam Coins, and you are gonna go to this trading course, and we have 42 different topics, 18 hours of contents to make sure that you never lose a trade again anymore. It's actually $49, okay? If you look at it, it's $49, but there's one more thing. What you want to do is actually click on the Discord link here. Once you do that, you're going to actually join our Discord link, and we do have so many different coin chats right over here, from Bitcoin all the way to Solana to VeChain all the way to Luna Classic. It's absolutely free of cost, and all you want to do is you want to go to this channel called Announcement, click on the announcement, click on my name, and drop me a message, and I'm gonna give you a discount of $20 from this course, and you can get it for $49, and it's yours. Trade safe, trade careful. Bye.